Keyboard shortcut to select address bar in Total Commander. What's the keyboard shortcut to focus? Select the address bar in Total Commander, or Double Commander, Norton Commander e.g., any of its clones. In browsers it's usually Ctrl+L. If it doesn't exist, can it be configured? The options only offer cm_focus command, Shift plus F2, but no command to focus the address bar.
What's the keyboard shortcut to focus the select the address bar in Total Commander? I cannot find an easy way to get my cursor into the directory or address bar to immediately start typing a network path or directory. I have to click once or twice to get it editable. Press Shift plus F6 while focus is on item. Or assign the command cm_edit path to a shortcut, an alias, a button, or a menu item. Source keyboard shortcut to quickly type into directory or address bar.
Following the advice from this URL, here's how you can set Ctrl+L to go to the address bar in Total Commander. Configuration, Options, Miscellaneous, redefine hotkeys, then set to Ctrl+L. Choose the command to be cm_edit path, and click the tick icon.
이용자 끝이나 포스트 셀렉팅